Money plays a crucial role in our lives. It affects everything from our basic needs to our future aspirations. Mastering your money is not about being rich, it's about having peace of mind. When you are in control of your finances, you reduce stress and anxiety. You can sleep better at night knowing you are prepared for unexpected expenses. Financial freedom means having choices. It means being able to pursue your passions without being held back by debt or financial constraints. Imagine taking that dream vacation, starting your own business, or retiring comfortably. These dreams become attainable when you master your finances. Many people struggle with debt, living paycheck to paycheck. This can lead to a never-ending cycle of financial stress. By taking control of your money, you can break free from this cycle. You can build a solid foundation for a brighter future for yourself and your loved ones. Mastering your money is a journey, not a destination. It requires discipline, commitment, and a willingness to learn. But the rewards are immeasurable. Take the first step today and start building a secure and prosperous future. Budgeting is the cornerstone of sound financial management. It's about understanding where your money is going and making conscious spending choices. Start by tracking your income and expenses for a month. This will give you a clear picture of your spending habits. Create a realistic budget that aligns with your financial goals. Allocate your income to essential expenses like housing, food, and transportation. Set aside funds for savings and debt repayment. Be mindful of discretionary spending like entertainment and dining out. Look for areas where you can cut back on unnecessary expenses. Can you cook at home more often? Can you find a more affordable gym membership? Small changes can make a big difference over time. Stick to your budget as much as possible. Use cash envelopes, budgeting apps, or spreadsheets to stay organized. Regularly review and adjust your budget as needed. Remember, budgeting is an ongoing process, not a one-time event. Saving is crucial for financial security. It provides a safety net for emergencies and allows you to reach your long-term goals. Start by building an emergency fund. Aim for 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Make saving a habit by automating your contributions. Set up a direct deposit from your checking account to your savings account each month. Even small amounts add up over time. Set specific savings goals, such as a down payment on a house or a dream vacation. Having a clear target will motivate you to save consistently. Break down your goals into smaller, more manageable milestones. Explore different savings options to maximize your returns. Consider high-yield savings accounts, money market accounts, or certificates of deposit, CDs. Shop around for the best interest rates. Section 4. Investing. Grow your money over time. Investing is essential for growing your wealth over the long term. It allows your money to work for you, generating passive income and outpacing inflation. Start by educating yourself about different investment options. Consider low-cost index funds or exchange-traded funds, commonly known as ETFs. These funds offer diversification and professional management. Diversify your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. Invest for the long haul. Avoid trying to time the market or make quick profits. Stay the course even during market fluctuations. Remember, time is your greatest ally in investing. Seek guidance from a qualified financial advisor if needed. An advisor can help you create a personalized investment plan based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. Section 5. Real-life success, inspiration for your journey. Countless individuals have transformed their lives by mastering their money. Take Sarah, for example. She was buried in credit card debt and living paycheck to paycheck. By following the principles of budgeting, saving, and investing, she paid off her debt in 2 years and built a 6-figure net worth. John and Mary, a young couple, dreamed of buying their first home. They implemented a strict budget, saved diligently, and invested wisely. Within 5 years, they achieved their goal and became homeowners. These stories demonstrate that financial freedom is attainable for anyone willing to put in the effort. Remember, your financial journey is unique. There is no one-size-fits-all approach. What matters most is finding what works best for you and staying committed to your goals. Celebrate your successes along the way and learn from any setbacks. Surround yourself with a supportive community. Share your financial goals with friends, family, or a financial accountability partner. Join online forums or support groups to connect with others on a similar journey. Section 6. Embrace financial freedom. Mastering your money is not just about numbers, it's about living a more fulfilling and meaningful life. Financial freedom empowers you to pursue your passions, give back to your community, and leave a lasting legacy. Imagine the stress relief of being debt-free. Imagine the joy of achieving your financial goals. Imagine the freedom to make choices based on your values, not your financial constraints. This is the power of mastering your money. Start your journey today. Educate yourself, seek guidance, and take action. The path to financial freedom may have its challenges, but the rewards are immeasurable. Embrace the journey and unlock your full financial potential. Remember, you are in control of your financial destiny. Take charge of your money and watch your dreams turn into reality. Financial freedom is within your reach.